Hello, my name is Andrea and I am very happy to be today at Professor Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi's home in Claremont, California, to talk to you about a new project that we think it's going to bring great advances to science.
I've been a psychologist for over 40 years, and one of the things that has been puzzling me and saddening me is how little we have advanced in understanding human behavior. So many of the sciences and technologies in the other fields of human science have produced new discoveries, new advances. We are sending rockets to the moon, and we have conquered many illnesses. We have become essentially the most powerful species on the earth, and yet we can't live with each other so much in so many parts of the world, whether it's Asia, Africa, Europe, the Americas. People have been unable to find a good way of living together. In this particular project, I think we are beginning to use the ideas and the tools of the latest psychological development of the past 15 years, which is called positive psychology. And I had the good fortune to be one of the two psychologists who started this field, and it has grown tremendously all around the world since, because it differs from the psychology of the past in that in the past 150 years, psychology has been studying what is wrong with life, studying people who are neurotic, psychotic, or otherwise impaired. That positive psychology has become to study more how we can be more creative, how can we grow as individuals, how can we create better institutions, places where both at work and communities where we can encourage way of life that is better. The challenge of the project that Andrea is leading in Colombia is that we can begin to try to apply what we have learned in the past 20 years to understand why these conflicts arise and how they can be resolved, and how people can grow from adversity in a way that would involve not individuals but the whole culture, the whole society in which they live. The Florecer Institute of Colombia and our group here in Claremont and other psychologists and social scientists who have been studying these issues of displacement, violence, post-traumatic growth, and so forth. Altogether, I hope that we can begin to realize what the title of our project is, which is Towards a Science of Peace. And if we accomplish what we hope to accomplish, this will be a terrific advance in science and something that we can all be proud, not only in Colombia, but the rest of the world can learn from it and make better life for human beings all around the globe. And I feel very humbled to have to accept the role of scientific director that my friend and colleague Andrea Ortega-Bechara has offered me, and I know that it is going to be a long and hard journey, but all the journeys that are worth doing are hard.